Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've gotten this request a lot. I've gotten a lot of DMs about trying this wig because the last wig I tried was Sensational Newest Bare Lace wig. Today I am going to be doing a review / install on Outre's. Wait, is that Outre, child? Yeah, Outre's Airtied lace wig. This is how the box looks. This is how the back looks. It pretty much tells you the difference between, you know, a regular lace wig and their lace wig. It tells you about the side, the front, the back, fully hand tied, and it gives you what the wig entails. So the wig is a human hair blend. It's 100% fully hand tied with Vanish HD and lace frontal. Track free, lightweight, and breathable mesh cap. Thinner and more flexible for a seamless melt. I said steamless. I'm hungry. I want some steamed vegetables. Thinner and more flexible for a seamless melt. Pre-plucked hairline and with smaller knots. Contoured lace hairline. Pre-attached elastic band for a glueless install. So the front is a 13x6 lace frontal. The back, pre-attached elastic band for glueless install, so you can wear this glueless because it has a large band in the back. Back comb for secure fit. This side has a contoured lace hairline. Combs fit for secure fit. It's 100% fully hand tied, track free, lightweight, breathable lace and mesh cap. It's just so pretty. Look at it. Look how gorgeous this is. This is absolutely fabulous. Like, oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Okay. So we don't need, let me just see if there's anything else in the box because this box is so pretty, Chad. Now, okay, we don't need the box anymore. Oh my gosh. So, this is so pretty. Ooh. So the card, as you can see right here, it has pretty much everything that the back of the wig box had, the card has inside. So all the information you need to know about caring for your newest airtied lace wig. And this is the picture of the model wearing it up and then wearing it down. It's been a minute since I wore an ombre. I remember it was a time in life where I hated ombre, and I think that was because that was the only wigs that was out there at the time. Only ombre wigs. There was no like strictly color from the root, so I couldn't stand it. But now that we're so oversaturated with color from the root, I kind of want to go back to the ombre because I miss it a little bit. So I'm excited I got this color. I'm just gonna go right ahead. Oh my gosh, the lace is so thin. Wow, it's so thin. Oh my goodness. So 2 clips in the front, you guys, small clips, a middle strap for a glueless install, and a large clip in the back. Oh, it's so thin. First of all, it's so lightweight and thin. It doesn't feel like those thick synthetic wig caps. It's so lightweight. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on to see how it looks on my head. You guys know I don't do the whole stocking cap method. I don't have the time. I mean, I have the time now. I just don't feel like doing it. I don't really care to do it. Okay, oh wow. Let's pull this back a little bit. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just go ahead and adjust the clips inside of it. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I look gorgeous. I mean, I look gorgeous every day, but oh my goodness. So the lace is literally HD, like you can literally see. But I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace because I didn't tint the last lace that I installed. Now obviously those are 2 different wigs, but I figured, oh, you know, it's HD. Personally me, I'm always gonna tint the lace because I always want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. Okay guys, so I applied the product and I'm just going to rub it in. I use gloves because it gets messy. So I use gloves, but it's messy, but it's a good product. So, you know, it's worth it in my opinion. So I just rub it around just like that. You see, making sure it's even. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more in this area right here around the hairline, because that's where, you know, I'm gonna install the wig. So, okay, and then I'm going to blow dry it. Feels like it's dry enough, so I can go ahead and put the wig back on. Let me just tuck my hair back in. I gotta get my braids in over, so don't judge me if you see it looking a little crazy. Okay, so this is how it looks after it's tinted. Yes. Oh, this is much better. This is much better. Like, look at it. It really looks like it's coming out of my scalp now. Okay, this is much better. I'm so happy I tinted the lace. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and install as I usually do. I'm not gonna talk during that section because I do the same things. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, but I'm gonna play some good music, so make sure you know, watch, and I'll be back. We're going down. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I did a side part. I don't know, I wanted to do a side part. I could have did a middle part, but I wanted to do a side part. The wig is gorgeous. It's just a few things that I don't like. First of all, it sheds. Second of all, it tangles badly. Like, I've been installing it, my fingers got tangled in it, certain clips got tangled in it, and it just looks like, when you look at it, it looks like it's gonna get tangled. So, I mean, the frontal piece is absolutely like perfect, as you can see. Like, look, like it looks like it's coming out of my freaking scalp. Hold on, let me just cut this little piece right here. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. But it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. But yeah, it's, other than that, it's just, I don't know, I just don't like the texture. Now, I appreciate the frontal, the color is pretty. It's pretty for pictures, I would say, but it tangles a lot, and I don't really like that. So other than that, other than the tangling, it's not a bad wig. Okay, this is how it looks from the back, you guys. I can't see the back, so I do not know, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Lots more to come. Subscribe if you're not, because I have lots more to come. More CNA videos for the CNAs out there, more wig videos for the wig lovers out there, more everything. I love you. I will see you in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.